Myself, Anil Parmato, lecturer in Inter Marwari College, Ranchi. Today we will discuss redox reaction. Redox reaction are the chemical reaction which involves both oxidation as well as reduction simultaneously. In fact, oxidation and reduction go hand in hand. When chemical reactions are carried out, then some of these species may lose electrons, whereas some other may gain electrons. The concept of electron transfer can easily explain the redox reaction in case of ionic substance. However, for covalent compound, we use the term oxidation number to explain redox reaction. Electronic concept of oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. The term Leo-Zer. Leo means loss of electron is oxidation and gain of electron is reduction. Oxidation. It is a process in which electrons are lost. As for example, Zn plus 2 electron. Oxidizing agent. Any substance which is capable of oxidizing other substances and is capable of accepting gaining electrons lost during oxidation is called oxidizing agent or oxidant. During any redox reaction, the oxidizing agent itself undergo reduction. Now, reduction. It is a process in which electrons are gained. Copper plus 2 electron gives copper and chlorine Cl2 plus 2 electron gives 2Cl minus. Reducing agent. Any substance which is capable of releasing or losing electrons gained during reduction is called reducing agent. During any redox reaction, reducing agent itself undergo oxidation. Now, varieties of redox reaction. First, intermolecular reaction. Second, auto-redox reaction. Third, intramolecular redox reaction. We will discuss one by one. First, intermolecular reaction. Two substances, one of them is oxidizing agent and other is reducing agent. Second is auto-redox reaction. The same substance is oxidized and other is reduced. In case 2Cu plus gives Cu plus 2 plus copper. Third is intramolecular redox reaction. One element of a compound is oxidized and other element of same compound is reduced. Example, 2KClO3 gives 2KCl plus 3O2. Here chlorine is reduced and oxygen is oxidized. Now some oxidizing agent. First, electronegative elements are oxidizing agents. F2, Cl2, Br2, I2. Second, all eke salt of metals are oxidizing agent. Fe plus 3, Hg plus 2, copper plus 2. Third, oxides of metals and nonmetals such as magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, chromium oxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen peroxide. Fourth, compounds having either of one element underlined in their highest oxidation state. Here, KMnO4, HClO4, Na2Cr2O7 are oxidizing agents. Fifth, chromic and dichromic acids and their salts are oxidizing agent. H2CrO4, Na2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7. Now, reducing agent. All metals are reducing agents. Second, some nonmetals are reducing agent. Carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, hydrogen. Third, halogen acids are reducing agent, hydrogen iodide, HiHCl and HBr. Fourth, metallic hydrides are reducing agent, sodium hydride, lithium hydride. Fifth, all us salts of metal Fe plus 2, Hg plus 2 plus 2, Sn plus 2, copper plus 2 are reducing agent, and some organic compounds such as formic acid, aldehyde and oxalic acids are reducing agents. Thank you.